Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic about yoga for 29 diseases. 1. Diabetes. Benefits. Improves insulin sensitivity. Regulates blood sugar levels. Reduces stress and abdominal fat. Helpful poses. Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. A dynamic sequence that boosts metabolism and circulation. Dhanursana, bow pose. Stimulates pancreas and abdominal organs. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Opens chest and improves digestion. 2. Heart disease and hypertension. Benefits. Lowers blood pressure. Enhances cardiovascular function. Reduces anxiety. Helpful poses. Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Opens chest and strengthens the heart. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Improves balance and calms the nervous system. Padmasana, lotus pose. Encourages deep breathing and relaxation. 3. Depression and anxiety. Benefits. Boosts mood and emotional resilience. Reduces cortisol levels. Improves sleep quality. Helpful poses. Balasana, child's pose. Calms the mind and relieves tension. Sukhasana, easy pose. Supports meditation and breathwork. Adho Mukha Svansana. Downward dog energizes and stretches the body. 4. Arthritis. Benefits. Increases joint flexibility. Reduces inflammation. Eases stiffness and pain. Helpful poses. Shishwasana, child's pose. Gentle stretch for spine and hips. Trikonsana, triangle pose. Strengthens legs and improves mobility. Supta Baddha Konasana, reclining bound angle pose. Opens hips and relaxes joints. 5. Back pain. Benefits. Strengthens core and spine. Improves posture. Relieves tension. Helpful poses. Supta Matsyendrasana, supine twist. Releases lower back tension. Cat-cow stretch. Mobilizes spine and improves flexibility. Tadasana, mountain pose. Builds awareness of alignment. 6. Digestive disorders. Benefits. Stimulates digestion. Reduces bloating and constipation. Enhances gut health. Helpful poses. Apnasana, knees to chest pose. Relieves gas and supports digestion. Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend. Massages abdominal organs. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half spinal twist. Detoxifies and aids digestion. 7. Thyroid disorders. Benefits. Stimulates thyroid gland. Balances hormone levels. Improves metabolism. Helpful poses. Halsana, plow pose. Compresses neck to activate thyroid. Matsyasana, fish pose. Stretches neck and stimulates glands. 8. Kidney health. Benefits. Supports detoxification. Improves circulation. Reduces fluid retention. Helpful poses. Noksana, boat pose. Strengthens abdominal organs. Salamba Bhujangasana, Sphinx pose. Stimulates kidneys and boosts immunity. 9. Migraine and headaches. Benefits. Improves blood flow to the brain. Reduces tension. Enhances relaxation. Helpful poses. Padmasana, lotus pose. Calms the nervous system. Savasana, corpse pose. Deep relaxation and stress relief. Vipratakarani, legs up the wall pose. Soothes the nervous system. 10. Obesity. Benefits. Boosts metabolism. Encourages mindful eating. Improves fat distribution. Helpful poses. Trikonsana, triangle pose. Stimulates digestion and tones the waist. Utkatsana, chair pose. Builds strength and burns calories. Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. Full body workout for weight management. 11. Asthma. Benefits. Enhances lung capacity. Reduces breathlessness. Calms the nervous system. Helpful poses. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Opens chest and improves breathing. Savasana, corpse pose. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Balances breath and energy. 12. Sciatica. Benefits. Relieves nerve compression. Improves spinal alignment. Reduces inflammation. Helpful poses. Supta Padangasthasana, reclining hand to big toe pose. Stretches hamstrings and lower back. Pigeon pose, Kapotsana. Opens hips and eases sciatic pain. Cat-cow stretch. Mobilizes spine gently. 13. Insomnia. Benefits. Promotes deep relaxation. Regulates melatonin levels. Reduces mental chatter. Helpful poses. Viprata Karani, legs up the wall pose. Calms the nervous system. Yoga Nidra, yogic sleep. Guided meditation for restful sleep. Supta Baddha Konasana, reclining bound angle pose. Opens hips and soothes anxiety. 14. Menstrual disorders. Benefits. Eases cramps and bloating. Balances hormones. Supports reproductive health. Helpful poses. Baddha Konasana, bound angle pose. Opens pelvic region. Apnasana, knees to chest pose. Relieves abdominal discomfort. Supta Virasana, reclining hero pose. Calms the body and mind. 15. Liver disorders. Benefits. Stimulates detoxification. Improves circulation. Supports digestion. Helpful poses. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half spinal twist. Massages liver and kidneys. Mayursana, peacock pose. Strengthens abdominal organs. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Enhances blood flow to liver. 16. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Benefits. Regulates menstrual cycle. Reduces insulin resistance. Balances hormones. Helpful poses. Dhanursana, bow pose. Stimulates reproductive organs. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Activates ovarian function. Malsana, garland pose. Opens hips and pelvic floor. 17. Chronic fatigue syndrome. Benefits. Boosts energy gently. Reduces inflammation. Enhances mental clarity. Helpful poses. Savasana, corpse pose. Deep rest and recovery. Viprata Karani, legs up the wall pose. Restores circulation. Gentle pranayam. Breathwork to energize without strain. 18. Pelvic floor dysfunction. Benefits. Strengthens pelvic muscles. Improves bladder control. Enhances core stability. Helpful poses. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Activates pelvic floor. Mula Bandha, root lock. Engages deep pelvic muscles. Happy baby pose, Ananda Balsana. Opens hips and relaxes tension. 19. Cognitive decline, brain health. Benefits. Improves memory and focus. Enhances neuroplasticity. Reduces mental fatigue. Helpful poses. Padmasana, lotus pose. Supports meditation and clarity. Bhramari pranayam, bee breath. Calms the mind and sharpens focus. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Boosts blood flow to the brain. 20. Stress-induced hypertension. Benefits. Lowers cortisol and adrenaline. Improves blood vessel elasticity. Encourages parasympathetic activation. Helpful poses. Shavasana, corpse pose. Deep relaxation. Sukhasana with pranayam. Combines breath and stillness. Vipratakarani, legs up the wall. Calms the heart rate. 21. Varicose veins. Benefits. Improves circulation. Reduces swelling and heaviness. Strengthens leg muscles. Helpful poses. Legs up the wall pose. Reverses blood flow. Tadasana, mountain pose. Builds strength and posture. Pavan Muktasana, wind relieving pose. Stimulates lower body circulation. 22. Hormonal imbalance. Benefits. Regulates endocrine glands. Balances mood swings. Supports reproductive health. Helpful poses. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Stimulates thyroid and pituitary. Matsyasana, fish pose. Opens throat and chest. Baddha Konasana, bound angle pose. Grounds and balances. 23. Chronic sinusitis. Benefits. Clears nasal passages. Reduces inflammation. Enhances immunity. Helpful poses. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Opens chest and sinuses. Jal Neti, nasal cleansing. Yogi Kriya for sinus relief. Halsana, plow pose. Stimulates circulation to head. 24. Parkinson's disease, supportive therapy. Benefits. Improves motor coordination. Enhances balance and flexibility. Reduces tremors and rigidity. Helpful poses. Tadasana, mountain pose. Builds stability. Warrior 2, Virbhadrasana 2. Strengthens legs and focus. Chair yoga variations. Gentle movement for mobility. 25. Fibromyalgia. Benefits. Reduces pain sensitivity. Improves sleep and energy. Eases muscle stiffness. Helpful poses. Child's pose, Balasana. Gentle stretch and rest. Supported bridge pose. Opens chest and hips. Yoga Nidra. Deep guided relaxation. 26. Acid reflux GERD. Benefits. Improves digestion. Reduces abdominal pressure. Calms the nervous system. Helpful poses. Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose. Aids digestion post-meal. Ardha Matsendrasana, half twist. Detoxifies organs. Supt Baddha Konasana. Gentle recline for relaxation. 27. ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Benefits. Enhances focus and attention. Reduces impulsivity. Promotes emotional regulation. Helpful poses. Tree pose, Vrukshasana. Builds concentration. Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. Balances hemispheres. Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Grounding and calming. 28. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Benefits: reduces wrist tension, improves circulation, strengthens forearms. Helpful poses: reverse prayer pose, Paschim Namaskarsana, stretches wrists, tabletop wrist rolls, mobilizes joints, eagle arms, Garudasana arms, opens shoulders and wrists. 29 piles, hemorrhoids. Benefits: improves bowel movement, reduces inflammation, strengthens pelvic floor. Helpful poses: Malsana, garland pose, opens hips and aids elimination. Viprata Karani, reduces pressure on rectal veins. Ashwini Mudra, pelvic contractions, strengthens anal muscles. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.